Okay, so I wanted to show you guys a couple things that I want you to fix on your letter if you haven't been able to fix it yet. So first of all, you should have your first and last name in the top right corner, and it should say Infinity Middle School, and then the address. And if you want to know how I got it over on this side of the screen, you can highlight it to move it, but you click these to align your heading. Okay, so that goes in the top right corner. Next, over here, I've got my Dear Melody. And if you're wondering how I got that over there, I just hit enter, and then I clicked left align, and see how my cursor went over there? But I don't need extra space right there. I just need to hit enter once. So I'm gonna back that back up. If you notice, I did not indent because I want to show you that you need to indent. And I'm gonna go down here to my tab button. And when I hit tab, it indents for me. I'm gonna do the same thing on this line and on my body paragraph 3. Okay, so now that I have everything indented, oh wait, I also need to go down here, and I'm gonna leave sincerely right there, and I'm gonna indent that. Sometimes people will do this, let me show you, and they'll indent sincerely, and then you indent your name again. And you guys, that's totally up to you. You can do, you can indent sincerely, or you can just indent your name. It doesn't matter. Okay. Also, I want you to notice that I purposely misspelled a word to show you that when it's underlined red, that means that it's misspelled and your computer wants you to fix it. So it says, did you mean palsy? Yes, I did. So I'm going to click on that. And how you do that is you can just take 2 fingers and you press down at the same time to highlight the word. So like right here, take 2 fingers. Yep. Okay. And that's when it pulls that up. So if you have a red word, use 2 fingers, press it down, and it'll give you suggestions of what it thinks that your word, what word you meant to put. Okay. So I have everything indented. I have my Dear Melody. I have my heading. I have my closing. I have my greeting. So I also have, I didn't count, but I probably have over 5 to 6 sentences in each paragraph just because I like to write. I'm gonna kind of zoom in on my last paragraph so you can see how I transitioned my questions. So I said, the first question I want to ask you is, what's it like not being able to have your own independence? Do you ever get frustrated? I have also been curious about if you ever feel pain. Does it hurt when you fall out of your wheelchair? My last question is, if you could choose between walking and talking, which would you choose? I would love it if you could answer one or a few of these. You're awesome, Melody. Okay, on that part right there, you can add anything you want. You can talk, you can add like a closing sentence being like, I think you're awesome. I really enjoyed reading your book. My questions were kind of simple and maybe even questions we already know the answers to. So I